Good morning, students. Myself Pooja Jalan, your maths teacher from Srimati LP Savani Vidya Bhavan. Today we will learn part 2 of chapter 5. Does it look the same? Mirror image. Kids, when you look yourself in a mirror, what do you see? Yes, you see yourself there, right? Exactly the same, except reversed. In such an image, the right side of you appears on the left side and vice versa. So, let us see few examples of how a mirror image of an object will look. Let us see few pictures of how a mirror image looks. Here, left hand side, you can see these are original pictures. And here, I am keeping mirror. Then you can see reflection of this picture in the mirror. These all are called mirror images. After keeping mirror, this triangle shape will become square. And this semicircle will become circle. And this one bird, after keeping mirror, we can see there are two birds. Mirror games. Here is a picture of a dog. You can place a mirror on the dotted line, this vertical line. Then the part of the dog to the right of the line will be hidden behind the mirror. This part will be hidden behind the mirror. So, after keeping mirror, we can see only this much part and its reflection in the mirror. So, the shape will become like this. Let us understand this mirror games by using mirror. Here, I kept mirror at the vertical position like this. So, I will get same image that is given at the right hand side. You can see in the mirror. Here, when I keep my mirror like this, then I will get same image that is given at the right hand side. So, I have to draw line on the picture of dog like this. In this image, if I keep mirror in this position, then I will get the image like this that is given at the right hand side. So, here I have to draw a line on the picture of dog like this. Same way in this picture also, if I keep my mirror in this horizontal position, so I will get this type of image that is given here. So, I have to draw line on the picture of dog like this, horizontal one. What is clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction? Let us understand. This fan is given, it is moving in the direction of this arrow. It is called clockwise direction, means moving in the same direction as the hands of the clock, because the hands of the clock move in this direction. So it is called clockwise direction. Suppose the fan is moving in the direction of this arrow. It is called anti-clockwise direction. Means it is moving in the opposite direction that of clockwise. Means reverse to clockwise direction. Let us understand different turns. First is full turn. Suppose at the starting I stand here at this point of the circle, and after moving I come back to this point again. Then this is called full turn or 360 degree. Now next is half turn. Suppose at the starting I stand over here at this position of the circle, and after moving I come here at this position of the circle. Then this is called half turn or 180 degree. That is the half of the circle. Now next is 1/4 turn. Suppose at the starting I stand over here at this point of the circle, and after moving I come here at this point of the circle. This is called 1/4 turn or 90 degree. Next is three-quarter turns. Suppose at the starting I stand over here, and after moving I come here this point of the circle. Then this is called three-quarter turns, means 3/4 or 270 degree. Let us take an example of a triangle. This is the original shape of triangle. Now after 1/4 turn it will look like this, and after half turn it will look like this. One-fourth turn. Here in first picture, this is original picture of a fan. In this picture the fan is turned by 1/4 turn. Does the fan look same after 1/4 turn? Yes, we can say that these two pictures are same. Now in this second picture we can observe that the wings colors are changed. So after 1/4 turn it will not look the same. The color of the wing will be changed. Let us understand 1/3 turn. For 1/3 turn I have divided this circle in 3 equal parts. And suppose at the beginning I stand at this point of the circle. Then after moving I come here at this point of the circle. Then this is called 1/3 turn, or we can say 120 degree. One-third turn. Which fan will look same on 1/3 turn? Let us take first picture. We have to give it 1/3 turn. Means we have to rotate this fan from here to here. So after 1/3 turn, this fan will look same. Let us take another picture. Here we can see that the wing color is changed. So after rotating 1/3 turn from here to here, this fan will not look same. This green wing will come here. Let us learn 1/6 turn. Means 1/6. For this, I have divided the circle in 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, this one part of a circle is called 1/6 part of a circle. So, at the beginning, suppose I stand over here, and after moving, I reach here at this point of the circle. Then it is called 1/6 turn. Suppose I want to rotate my object 1/6 turn, then I have to rotate it from here to here. One-sixth turn. Here, these are some examples that will look same on 1/6 turn. Thank you, my dear students. Stay home, stay safe, and complete your work. God bless you.